We'll say she is going to start a food city. Kanchi is food city. Kanchi food city. This Kanchana's food city.
Land is what we are standing on, the ground. Yes, in one way, you're right. But in economics, we identified land.
If it is 1%, you can count it as a whole for the whole year, it's 12%. Simply you can multiply this one by 12 and say it's 12%. But
so your expectation and your performance and the product's performance both are the same. So if both are equal, we say that is satisfaction.
Once you obtain a loan, the bank will give you rupees 500,000. Obtain a bank loan means bank gives you rupees 500,000. Is there an impact for cash? Yes. Cash increased by 500,000. 500,000. So you know one impact, it's there for the accounting equation. Cash means it's obviously an asset. So cash increased by how much? 500,000. Cash increase by 500. The cash increase means if there is any cash increase or decrease, doesn't matter. Cash means asset. So impact comes for the asset column. Cash impact comes for the asset column. Then look here. Then loan. If you all can remember under the examples, loan we recognize as a what? Look here in the equation, it's there the dual impact. Cash you received, cash increase, then loan.
Assume there are trees that are growing on the land, and there might be some minerals underneath the land. All these things are identified as land inside these factors of production. Assume in a simple apparel manufacturing garment factory, there are employees who use the efforts or the physical efforts to produce a garment. As Sri Lanka, we have seen this, right? Now, assume there is a consultant coming into play who talk about marketing, who is not going to sit down a machine and do the day-to-day operations, but he might be in a corporate office.
you are not getting your interest into your hand, you are adding it back to your initial amount and make it 110,000 in the second year, okay? And at the end of the second year, the interest, the 10% will be for this 110,000, not only for this 100,000, okay? Which means you can add your interest into your initial amount, and in the second year, when they are considering the amount to make the interest, they consider that interest you earn from the first year plus the initial amount that you deposited, okay? So it goes as a chain now, okay? For the interest, you again earn interest likewise. This one is called compound interest. Compound interest. It's compounding.
If this is a business, okay, you also will say, so you also know that's a business, sir. Okay. But here we have to prove it, right? Okay, what is a business? How to prove it? Okay, then you will ask 3 questions. If they answer all these 3 questions, that's a business. Okay, shall we see what are the 3 questions? What's the first one you have? Business means what they should do. What they should do? They should produce goods and services. Apply the same thing for KFC. Okay, are they producing any good or service? Yes. What are they producing? Clothes? No, they are selling what? Chickens. Okay, chicken is something good which you can touch. And what's the second question? How they are producing these goods and services? It should be done through a what activity? Economic activity. So what is economic activity means? For an activity to be economic, there should be 3 things. What are the 3 things? Production. They had to produce. Are they producing chicken? Yes.